In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sign-up form that collects contact info in Wix. We'll start by opening the Wix editor. First, sign in to your Wix account. Once you're on your dashboard, choose the website you want to work on, then click Edit Site to open the editor. This is where you'll build and customize the form directly on your page. Next, add the form to your site. On the left side of the editor, click Add Elements, then go to Contact and Forms. You'll see a variety of form templates available. Take a moment to browse through them and choose a sign-up form that fits the style and purpose of your website. When you find one you like, drag it onto the page. Once the form is on the page, click it and choose Edit Form. Here you can customize the fields to collect the contact information you actually need. For example, you might include first name, last name, email address, phone number, company name, or a message field. If some details are essential, like name and email address, make sure to mark those as required so visitors can't submit the form without completing them. After that, update the form title. Instead of leaving the default heading, change it to something more inviting and relevant to your goal. You might use something like sign up today, join our community, subscribe for updates, get started, or request more information. You can also add a short description underneath the title to let people know what they'll get after signing up. Now customize the submit button. Click the button text and change it to match the action you want people to take. Simple options like sign up, join now, subscribe, get started, or send all work well. Clear button text helps set expectations and makes the form feel more polished. Next, configure the form submission settings. Select the form and open form settings. From there, choose what should happen after someone submits it. You can display a success message, send visitors to a thank you page, or redirect them to another page on your website. Wix stores form submissions in your dashboard by default. To manage them later, open your Wix dashboard and go to Customer Management or Forms and Submissions, depending on your setup. That's where you can review, export, or organize the contact information you collect. If you want email alerts, open Automations in your Wix dashboard. Create an automation using the form submitted trigger, set the action to send email notification, then save and activate it. You can also set up a confirmation email for the person who fills out the form. Before going live, click Preview and test everything. Fill out the form, submit a test entry, confirm the success message, or redirect works properly, and make sure the submission appears in your dashboard. Once everything looks good, click Save, then Publish. Your sign-up form is now live and ready to collect visitor information.